The crypto market is ruled by influencers who can easily lift and drop the price of any cryptocurrency by putting out corresponding news. The king of crypto influencers is definitely Elon Musk, who alone with his huge media influence is said to be able to influence Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Elon Musk is also known as a person who was fined by the US Securities and Exchange Commission for manipulating the price of Tesla shares by his tweet in which he said that he's going to take Tesla private. What Elon said about Tesla is only a tiny share of everything he said that could potentially impact the price of cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, due to the lack of regulation on such markets, nobody seems to care. However, crypto markets are becoming more regulated each minute as we speak, with governments and international authorities stepping in. Shall the free days of crypto come to an end, and will Musk face the repercussions for all his tweets? Should other crypto influencers be afraid? You will find out from this video. My friends, welcome to Stobox Insights, a video series about innovations in capital raising, law and crypto industry, brought to you by a professional consulting company. We have over 100 other videos about nuances of tokenized securities and digital assets, so I encourage you to subscribe and watch our other videos. Let's go! Firstly, a small disclaimer. This video is not intended as legal or financial advice. Please do not take this video as a guide in determining the legality of your actions in any trading markets. If you have any doubts, it's better to hire a consultant who will provide advice specific to your situation. The main priorities the regulators have when it comes to protecting the market in securities and commodities is that the markets are fair and everybody has equal access to information. A market with the so-called perfect information, that is when everybody has access to complete information, creates a perfect allocation of capital to the best companies that will produce the higher return on that capital, therefore maximizing the overall economic growth. For example, if investors believe that Apple can create more economic value than Alphabet, Apple is priced higher on the market, which allows it to attract more capital at better terms. Of course, there is no perfect information in reality, and any person is not realistically able to aggregate and process all the information. This is the reason why you need a fair market, which works like a collective brain of the society, aggregating knowledge and skills from multiple individuals and entities, at least until market manipulation comes into play. Market manipulation happens when somebody distorts the market information. For example, a trader or even the issuer may create fake volumes to make the asset seem more liquid than it really is, or a pump and dump scheme in which the price is artificially increased only so that beneficiaries of the scheme could sell the large volume of an asset, bringing the price back down. If you find this video insightful, I kindly ask you to like it to help the channel grow and share it with your friends or community members for whom this also may be interesting. Another criterion for regulating market is the support of fairness. For efficient asset pricing, it's necessary that as many traders participate as possible. Moreover, higher participation means that more capital is being utilized instead of just sitting there. Fairness of the markets is a critical requirement for many traders, as it reduces the risk of engaging in trading, which itself is already quite high. Insider trading does not strictly violate the fact that assets should be priced based on market information, because trades that are based on insider information actually make a price take that information into account. However, as this information is not publicly available, other traders cannot benefit from it, which makes markets unfair and scares many potential traders away. On the other hand, insider trading does not benefit the market significantly because of at least two reasons. The first is that each piece of information may be interpreted in several ways. If it is processed by a single person or a narrow group of people, the interpretation of this information is not averaged enough and still skews the correct asset price. Secondly, usually insider information has a very limited lifetime of being not public, so the impact of non-availability of this information on the movement of capital is very limited. The lack of investor protection is one of the reasons why we're launching Stobox crypto exchange. Many people are leaving or not starting crypto trading due to the high risks involved. We intend to make Stobox Exchange a safe space in the wild west of crypto by doing a more severe selection of projects and excluding dark patterns from the exchange functionality. If you are interested, I encourage you to register using the link in the description. There are 3 questions we need to answer to understand how Elon's action need to be classified. The same questions should be asked regarding the promotion of tokens done by other influencers. Question number 1 is whether the tweets really impacted the price of cryptocurrencies. The general consensus is that there is a correlation between some of Musk's tweets and certain price movements. For Dogecoin, the evidence for price impact is overarching. The second question is whether the tweets were misleading or manipulating. All tweets can be divided into 2 types, those relating to factual information and others. With the former, it's quite easy to find out whether they are misleading. If Musk says that Tesla is working on new tech for Dogecoin, while it's not in reality, this is clearly misinformation that can be verified. It's much more complex to classify other tweets, such as the famous breakup tweet, which is simply a hashtag Bitcoin and an emoji of the broken heart. Although it implies that Elon stopped supporting Bitcoin, it does not offer specific factual information. Moreover, if Elon really stops supporting BTC and this support is a pricing factor on the cryptocurrency market, this may be regarded as objective information that traders have to take into account. The crypto markets are weird because many tokens do not have an objective price beyond speculative supply and demand, much of which may be driven by the opinion of celebrities. Most likely, regulators will want crypto to function as fair and orderly markets, so there will be measures preventing such an impact, although it's hard to tell what those measures would be and how they can be implemented, given that people can often impact the price without intending so. It takes into account the presumption of innocence and freedom of speech. In countries like the US, much will depend on court precedents. However, all of these complications vanish if only one factor is present: personal gain. If the price impact of a tweet has been used for personal gain, this is a clear indication of insider trading and will be punished with a larger introduction of crypto regulation. This also includes the promotion of the token without notifying the public that the person is paid to do so. If Elon Musk holds large bags of Dogecoin that he artificially inflated in value and that he will later sell on the market, this is clearly market manipulation that has to be punished. What is your opinion? Is Musk manipulating the market and should he be prosecuted? Please share your thoughts with the community in the comment section. Overall, market manipulation in crypto markets will be increasingly less possible, attracting more investors and making the issuance of crypto assets more feasible for a wide range of businesses. On this channel, we have more than 100 videos on different aspects of digital assets and their business applications. If you are interested in learning how issuing crypto assets can benefit your business, bring you more capital and customer engagement, contact me at bp@stobox.io for a free 30-minute consultation or schedule it via our website. Stay tuned and see you in the next episode.